Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you could play your favorite PlayStation 2 games on your Android device, anywhere, anytime. First, download the AetherSX2 Emulator. Just open any browser, search for AetherSX2 GitHub and open the official website. Scroll down a little and download the emulator. Once it's downloaded, install it on your Android device and launch the app. When you first open AetherSX2, click through the setup screens. If you have a high-end device, choose the optimal safe defaults option. If your device is lower end, go with fast unsafe defaults. For now, we'll skip importing BIOS and games until later. Next, you'll need the PlayStation 2 BIOS file. Open your browser again, search for AetherSX2 BIOS and download it from the website shown on screen. After that, download any PS2 game you want to play. Once your game is downloaded, you'll notice it usually comes in a compressed format like zip or .7z. AetherSX2 only supports ISO files, so we need to extract it. To do this, download the ZArchiver app from the Play Store. Open ZArchiver, go to your download folder, tap the game file and choose Extract here. Once extraction is complete, you'll have your ISO file ready. Now open AetherSX2 again and add a game directory. Create a new folder, name it however you like, and select Use this folder. Then, using your file manager, move the extracted ISO file into this folder. Go back to the emulator and you'll see your game appear in the library. When you select the game for the first time, AetherSX2 will ask for the BIOS. Just locate the BIOS file you downloaded earlier in your Downloads folder and import it. Once the BIOS is added, click on the game again, and that's it. The game will launch and you can start playing. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, make sure to subscribe for more gaming content and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.